If you're using the Kajabi platform, you actually might not be aware that there is an entire marketplace called the Kajabi Experts Marketplace, and it's full of vetted experts ready to help you if you are stuck in your Kajabi journey. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate to this marketplace, how to find a vetted expert, and how to actually, if you want to become a vetted expert yourself, how to apply. So here I am actually in the Kajabi Experts Marketplace. It's, as it says, find a vetted Kajabi expert or coach to jumpstart your business. Now you can either navigate to this by just Googling experts Kajabi or actually typing in experts.kajabi.com. Or if you are inside your Kajabi account, if you are already a current user of Kajabi, you can just navigate down to the more drop down, the very last drop down on the left hand side, and you have custom templates, which I already have done a video on, and then expert services. So if you were to click on expert services, you'd just be taken over to the homepage here. Now this is the place to actually ask the questions or put proposals or actually ask an expert to help you, rather than Kajabi do have a number of Facebook groups. So the official Kajabi Hero community, there's one for the Gold Mastermind and there's one for the $1 Million Mastermind. But there is so many people in this official Hero community, 48,000 members. And I see on a daily basis people posting, hey, how do you help me on this? Or how anyone out there can help me with a sales page or this task. So I think rather than asking in the Facebook group, there is a vetted marketplace for you to actually put your questions to an expert. So I'm going to go into the expert directory and you have a number of drop downs. I'm just going to click on coaching, for example. If you wanted someone to navigate and coach you through the Kajabi marketplace or coach you through your journey in building out something, whether it be your homepage, your sales page, you can actually scroll down and see a list of vetted experts. Now, a couple of things here that you can filter them by name, language, location, if you wanted anything like that, or by service. So you can check these boxes here, and the actual results page is just going to spit out who is actually qualified in what. Now, before you actually get to this stage, and this is what I love about Kajabi, is I've been with Kajabi for a number of years. I know it and love it and run my entire online business on it. And one of the main reasons that I've stayed with Kajabi is the support chat is second to none. So even if I have a little challenge with a Kajabi, I couldn't move a box from left to right, I just go on chat support and ask for a live agent, ask them the question, and they're usually very, very quick to respond. And almost always they can solve my problem there and then. So rather than jumping in straight to the expert store and asking for help straight away, or even some of the Facebook groups, ask chat support and actually they'll progress you a lot quicker, and it's free. If you're paying for Kajabi, you get the chat support 24/7 depending on what plan you are. So here, if you have a project, so if you have a launch or if you have a funnel that you want to build out, you can post it here on the experts platform. So you can either click on preferred experts. These are the people that Kajabi have ticked as a preferred expert. And a few moons ago here, when was this? This was 2023, January 2023. I got approved as a Kajabi expert from using the platform for a number of years and understanding it more than some. They put me on as a vetted expert. So here I am down here. So if you were to click on my profile, these are some of the tasks I've done, some of the reviews I've got. And if you wanted to work with me, you can just click let's go or about your project, or just put in a proposal to me. You can also obviously browse any of the other vetted experts and then put in a proposal to them. Now, the best thing about the expert marketplace is you've got so many experts willing to help. If you are getting stuck, the worst thing you can do is not actually reach out to someone for help. Like the most courageous word in the English language is actually help. So reach out to these people, put in your proposal, and you're going to get a number of people actually respond to you and asking if you wanted to jump on a call or to put in a proposal and see how you can work together. So it's just expediting your Kajabi journey. If you are a Kajabi, or if you feel like you are really good at Kajabi, you can actually click here to become a Kajabi expert. So Kajabi will have a vetting process, and you may be invited onto their platform so you can actually help more people get unstuck in their Kajabi journey. And lastly, as you know, this is the platform that I know and love. If you aren't on Kajabi, as a partner of Kajabi, I can offer you a 30-day extended free trial. That's double the 14-day free trial available to the public. So using my link, you can jump in, check it out, see what you think. Just navigate to this page, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. Get access, get your 30 days free, try and get some revenue up and running. And I've actually got on YouTube, if you were to go over to my channel, if I just open YouTube out in a new tab and then go, if you just Google or YouTube me, Tim Peakman Kajabi, there is my channel on YouTube. If you were to go to the playlists, I have an entire 30-day challenge. So if you get my access to Kajabi using my link, so timpeakman.com/Kajabi, sign up to Kajabi, 30 days free, go through these videos, and your challenge is to try and make some revenue before you actually start paying for Kajabi. Now, I'm going to give you a few bonuses if you sign up for my link here. I have a course, Kajabi Unboxed. If you sign up using my link, I'm going to automate you free access to this course. Again, this is going to help you do the things to actually unbox your account in the right way. I'm going to offer you a private coaching session with me if you complete the Kajabi Unboxed program. And then if you continue past those 30 days and continue to be a paying member of Kajabi like me, yes, this is an affiliate link, so all that means is part of your payment will come back to me in support of this channel. I'm going to grant you access to some of my best sales page templates that I know and love and use in my business on the regular. So that's Kajabi Unboxed, private coaching session with me, sales page templates, 30 days of Kajabi. All you need to do is sign up using my link, timpeakman.com/Kajabi. But get onto the experts platform if you are already on Kajabi. Get an expert to help you accelerate your Kajabi journey. Any Kajabi related questions, just ask them under this video. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video soon.